Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the USB debugging in this device. So before enable the USB debugging, we need to enable the developer options. For this, go to settings, then scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option about device. Tap on this one, then again scroll down. Tap on version. To enable the developer options, tap on 7 times on the version number. You can see you are now a developer. Now go back to your settings, tap on additional settings, scroll down. You can see developer options. Now the developer options is enabled. Tap on this one. Then scroll down. Here you can see the option USB debugging. To enable the USB debugging, simply turn on this option. Then tap on OK. Now the USB debugging is enabled in this device. So simply in this way you can enable the USB debugging in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.